Last week I wrapped up a shoot in a range studio using a new modifier called the Snapbag Octa 5 by Rotolight. So to get you ready to see that video, I made this one to show you how to set it up. I hope you enjoy it. This is a big modifier that produces beautiful light if you know how to set it up. So let's get to it. The Snapbag is made for the Titan series with Rotolight. So first put the Titan on the C-stand. Then remove the barn doors. You're then going to put on these crazy looking things called rabbit ears, which yes, they look like antennas from TV from the 1980s. These rabbit ears are what hold the modifier to the light, and they attach in the same place where you put your barn doors. You then take the modifier. Okay, wait a minute. Whoever edited this is fired. This is not supposed to be in here. Slide the rods of the modifier into the rabbit ears. Make sure to undo the Velcro on the modifier to give you more room to put the rods in. Otherwise, it'll be very difficult. Then you go to the back of the modifier and you start to tighten up the Velcro straps. When fastening the Velcro, make sure to make it tight around the top, bottom, right, and left of your light. Now it's time to apply that front diffuser. When doing so, finding the edge of the diffuser is very important. You're then going to fit it into the edge of the modifier. That assures proper alignment and fitting of the diffuser to the modifier. Once you've applied this modifier, you've turned the already soft and beautiful light of the Titan X1 into something out of this world. It gives you a much bigger spread of light and just makes for beautiful portraits. Just remember, a bigger modifier is a bigger sale. So don't forget your sandbags. And hey, it passed the first quality test. This stuff is great. I'm really excited to share the range shoot with you guys. And I made this setup video because I knew there's going to be a lot of questions afterwards about, hey, what's all about this modifier and how do you set it up? For more information and the best deals out there on any Rotolight products, including the Snapbag modifier, go to rotolight.com/JasonOffers. So thanks for watching, guys. I really hope it helps. We have lots of fun stuff coming up, and I'm very grateful for all of you out there. So don't forget to click on subscribe, notifications, and just share and comment on the video. Let me know what you think. So until next time, keep shooting, never give up on your dreams. Find a rig that works for you, and remember, you only have one chance to get it right. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye.